Good evening, everybody. It's Susie again, and I figured today I would just share with you the tattoos that I have, some of my pride and joy art. It's not very visible, but I really like them where they're at. And also, I've had this skirt for the longest time, and I've never been able to fit into it. So I tried it on today, and as you can see, I think that I pretty look good in it. And I'm very proud of my weight loss so far, and I have found a lot of different outfits that had fit me for now. So just very briefly, I've got this tattoo on my chest, and this is my very first tattoo that I have had. This is a purple rose with a tribal. There's no specific meaning as to why I got the tattoo or anything like that, but I figured I wanted to experience how it felt to have a first tattoo. And when I had it done, everybody else, I've gotten a lot of compliments about it and about the fact that it's placed in the right place and it looks classy. So even at work, even if it shows, it's not too tacky as a lot of people would have them. But I don't have any visible tattoos anywhere else. Every tattoo that I have are all in my back. So I'm going to show you that in just a little bit. Okay, so I have very big tattoos on my back, and I think that I was very glad with the tattoo artist because he made sure that they were all placed right. The two tattoos that I have at the very top are the two Betty Boop tattoo. One of them is the good girl, schoolgirl type Betty Boop, and then the other one is the bad girl, biker chick Betty Boop tattoo. And I had that idea because for the most part, all of us has a good girl and a bad girl to their personality, but I think that with the way that he did the work and the art and the coloring and everything else, I think he did an amazing job. And the biggest tattoo that I have is the very middle tattoo, which is a fairy. And she is a fairy that is, I believe, drawn by Amy Brown. And this tattoo is the tattoo that caused me the most pain. Her face was the one that was the worst part of it. It took 3.5 hours for the outline only and a little bit of coloring. The rest of the session was just, I think I had 4 other sessions after this one for the coloring and the touch-ups and everything else. And the very bottom tattoo that I have, my lower back tattoo, is actually a flower from the Philippines. It's called the Gumamela, and that one was custom made by the artist. I showed him the art, one of the arts that he had in a wall, and he had felt that it just wasn't something that I really wanted. So he asked me if there was something in particular I'm looking for, and I told him that, I like some exotic flowers in it. I don't want it to be a common tattoo like everybody else would have. So he drew this for me freehand, and then he showed me the picture, and then he decided on the colors. And when it turned out, I thought that it turned out amazing. I love the coloring, and I love the way he positioned it, and love the way that he placed it right underneath where the fairy feet was. So, but as you can see, my tattoos are not random. Everything was carefully planned, and I made sure that everything will blend in as one. And I didn't want anything that's tiny that's not going to be visible, or anything that like so huge but it doesn't mean anything. So all of my tattoos that I have, are all custom made, and I don't think that anybody else have them. At least I don't think. But well, hopefully everybody enjoyed the little secret that I have with regards to my tattoo. Nobody ever really knows that I have a tattoo unless I tell them so. So I hope everybody liked it, and I hope everybody have a good night. Thank you. Bye.